Morning!
Yo!
I feel this is the best way I can support the gang. It's just bringing the sandwich toaster. Let's go! Hey everybody and welcome to my car. We're on the way to the house and the crew from the Holzschmiede team is here. Last year, you will remember, they helped me reconstruct all the timber frames. It's not that they helped me, they did it because they are the pros and I was out of my depth. So now they're back and they're finishing the walls. I did a little bit of the clay wall in the meantime, but not too much because it started to freeze and we just couldn't work on it. And I don't want this to drag on over weeks, so I asked them, can you come for a week and we just finish this? And that's what we're doing. Esst ihr schon? Stopp! Hört auf zu essen! Hört sofort auf zu essen! Ja. 1, 2, 3. Geil. Oh. Wollt ihr noch? Soll ich noch eine Ladung machen? Ja. Dann lieber so ein Sushi-Ding. It is so crazy that some of those jobs when renovating a house are very, very quick, just like ripping in a wall. That is so fast. The cleanup takes longer though. And other jobs, like rebuilding that wall, take months. We started constructing the walls with clay I think 6 months ago, half a year ago. And now we're finally seeing the finish line. It is one of those jobs where you just need to, I don't know, it's a marathon, it's not a sprint. And it's a weird combination when you renovate a house, you have a lot of sprints, you have a lot of marathons, and you have a lot of days waiting for people to help you with stuff. And for me, I think the biggest challenge are these long-term things. It's much easier to power through something, to just give 110% for a day and then enjoy the fruit of your labor than just going little by little, stone by stone, rebuilding a whole house. It's so easy to lose faith, but it was worth it. I think we're slowly seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, and hopefully we'll be very, very happy once we laid the last stone. Everybody is super in sync. I think we should go to the workshop and work on something else. I have a specific project in mind that is absolutely overdue. Let's go. You know what this is?
No.
Those are all attempts to fix my live stream problems.
Oh, live stream.
So the thing with live streams is, I think for the past at least 3 years, I try to get on a schedule where I do 3 videos a month and 1 live stream. Maybe it's even longer than 3 years. But for some reason, I am not capable to do a live stream properly. And whenever I do them, they suck. The technical side sucks. I usually, in the first 5 minutes, I don't have any audio. The resolution is a nightmare. And they're also very unreliable. So I do them every once in a while. And when I learned one thing about YouTube is that consistency is key to everything. And I've tried to get on the schedule, and now I want to make it happen. And I think the key to a reliable live stream is to have a reliable setup. So let's do it. Also, Felix, can you please help me?
Yeah, sure.
Power, camera, a controller. I have all the ingredients. A monitor. It's just all in the wrong order. I think this is a really good setup. Maybe that's the house for it, actually.
It's a nice case.
Right? Sound is gonna be the key. Speaking of audio, do you hear that?
Yes.
You know what it is?
Yes.
They are renaturalizing a little river stream, which is great. But what they're doing now, before they can dig, they have to look for bombs. And I'm just curious, like, is that the most efficient way to do that?
Oh, really? That's the reason?
Yeah,
Ugh.
they're checking for bombs. With a drill? It seems so unintuitive. I hope they don't find any. This is how far I've gotten, usually. And then gave up because I already lost the overview of what's happening here. But I'm not giving up this time. I'm wondering if this fits in here. Oh yeah. We should build the whole setup into this case.
Yeah, good decision.
I mean, I usually don't like to work with aluminum boxes, so... And then maybe...
Yes.
Camera on top. Oh, this is even magnetic. Okay, quick build montage. I feel like half of this business is just cable management. Once everything is hooked up, it should be easy. And then there's no user error, which is me. That's me. Passt das überhaupt? Ohne zu messen. Augenmaß. This power bank powers these sockets. They power the monitor, the light, and the Blackmagic Atom. And the power bank has an input here, so you can hook up the power bank while using it. So you can go, we calculated roughly at least 2 hours just from the power bank, or you can hook it up to the grid and then you can go unlimited. Let's just put it all together. I think that's it. Full disclosure, I didn't do it for years because I thought this was a boring project. It's not a boring project. I'm so happy with this. Ready?
Yes.
Here we go.
Yeah.
This is the complete setup. Over my computer, I have the software OBS. This one controls the camera, so I could, for example, fade to black. This would be the stream, now fade to black, or say live stream starts soon, or potentially select 4 different cameras. Right now, only 1 camera is hooked up, but it would be easy to just add a second one, or third or fourth. Audio finally works, and because of this monitor, we have a visual control to see if it works or not, because so far I started my live streams with. Then we have some light, and most importantly you have the camera that has a magnetic socket, so you can also put this somewhere else. No?
Genius.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
it is genius.
I like it a lot.
No, me too. We did so well, Felix.
All the cable management.
Yes, and it all fits in this one box. I'm so happy with the setup because I like doing the live streams, because this is one of the things that is just connecting me with the community. But it's always such a hassle to put it all up. So now that it's taken care of, I'm actually looking forward to these live streams much, much more. And I think I'll do them more regularly. While we're at it, should we go check on the house?
Oh yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It was a full day.
Yeah.
Let's just leave this run and see if it's still on when we come back in an hour. I'm so torn between I wish I was here to finish the walls myself, and I'm so happy I didn't have to finish the walls myself. I think it's good that I have this great team, the guys from Holzschmiede, who are much more capable than I am, way quicker. It looks great, huh?
Sieht so schön aus.
If you were wondering about these little gaps, the clay will compress over the next couple weeks a little bit, maybe a centimeter. So we left the top gap open so it's easier to fill it in. Because if it only shrinks 1 centimeter, we didn't do that last year. This is the last wall that I did last year. And as you can see, it's set about 1 centimeter, and this will be very tricky to fill in. So it's better to leave a bigger gap and then fill it in more easily than just this little tiny gap. Crazy. You see that? So until the gap is filled in, it kind of swings. Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I'm enjoying my new clay walls and my new live stream setup, and I will actually do a live stream from LA next week together with Simon Yach. So if you have some questions, you can just leave them in the comments and we'll get to it next week.